Hello and welcome. Today we're going to talk about a revolution, but it's not one fought with weapons. It's one shaped by bits and bytes. Yes, we're delving into the exciting realm of information and communication technology, or ICT, and its pivotal role in achieving the sustainable development goal of quality education. Picture a classroom. You might imagine students huddled over textbooks, a teacher at the blackboard. But now that image is evolving. With AI, VR/AR, online learning platforms, and mobile applications, we're now stepping into an era of personalized, accessible, and immersive education. Take AI. It's no longer just about robots and self-driving cars. It's seeping into classrooms, providing hyper-personalized learning experiences. Imagine a platform that knows your learning style better than you do, adapting the content just for you. That's the magic of AI education. But what if we could transform abstract concepts into tangible experiences? That's where virtual and augmented reality step in. Students in Japan aren't just learning about the solar system, they're exploring it with VR headsets. And over in the UK, medical students aren't poring over textbooks, they're diving into the human body with AR. Now let's not forget about online learning platforms and mobile apps. They've democratized education. No matter where you are in the world, all you need is an internet connection and the willingness to learn. Talk about breaking down barriers. But like every great endeavor, incorporating ICT into education isn't just about downloading an app or buying a headset. There's a delicate art to it, an art of balance. The tech must serve pedagogical goals, not define them. Let's learn from a school district in sunny California and the bustling city of Hong Kong. They managed to get it right, coupling tech integration with continuous teacher development. Now we've spoken about the shiny side of the ICT coin. But let's flip it over. Yes, there are challenges. From the digital divide to concerns about privacy and security, to even good old-fashioned resistance to change. But hey, every revolution has its obstacles, right? As we look into the future, the trend is clear. Technology and education will continue to weave together in ways we can only imagine. Teaching robots, advanced VR classrooms, increasingly diverse online platforms. Welcome to the future of learning. And now for a few questions you might be burning to ask. How can we ensure students in rural or underprivileged areas benefit from ICT? Well, digital inclusion should be our North Star. Let's take a leaf out of Australia and Canada's books on this one. How about student privacy in this increasingly digital learning environment? Enter robust data security measures and good digital citizenship. And as we adopt more online platforms, how can we maintain the quality of education? Through careful planning, continuous professional development for educators, and most importantly, an ongoing evaluation of teaching and learning outcomes. So you see, the role of ICT in achieving quality education is not just beneficial, it's indispensable. It's a revolution worth leading. And as leaders in higher education, it's up to us to navigate these challenges and unlock the immense potential of ICT for quality education. After all, education isn't just a goal, it's the key to a sustainable future. And with ICT, we're not just looking at that key, we're turning it. Thanks for joining us on this journey through the exciting landscape of ICT and education. Until next time, remember, the future of education is in our hands and in our code.